it's not a vlog.
This is not a vlog, yeah.
It's a video in a vlog format. So anyways, change of scenery. I'm finally out of the summer and in the winter, and it's actually not bad. It's not raining. I'm in Seattle with Dilip, the OG guy who inspired me to vlog with his original Japan and Iceland series that he just doesn't share with the world. He keeps his talent private.
Give me too much credit.
Yeah, we're gonna have some really good bagel. Apparently the best bagel that Dilip's ever had. So high expectations. It's so weird when food doesn't cost $1 anymore. I'm gonna spend like $10 here. It's crazy. But yeah, hi, could I get the poppy bagel with... Alright, that's my bagel. This better be the best bagel I've ever had. I mean, Dilip paid for it, so I don't care. It's pretty good. Oh wow, it's actually spicy. So that's my bagel, and I'm not gonna eat it anymore because it's too spicy for me. Right, my new bagel's out in 2 minutes. Fuck yeah. Let's try this one. Oh, I love that.
Oh my god. That's really good.
Yeah. I never thought I'd say this, but I really miss the winter. I like the cold weather right now. It's so refreshing. Oh, this is perfect. It's not that cold. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to go to Toronto though. It's gonna be actual winter. It says abortion pills forever.
There's a mural down there.
So that's the difference between Guatemala and Seattle. You know, in Guatemala I saw like the main government palace has a monument dedicated to pro-life.
Oh,
and
really?
Guatemala is like the center of pro-life in the world. Well, here it says abortion pills forever. Is that a green owl? So that is the Duolingo office.
Yeah.
I think I should go in and try to crash in. Yo, Dilip, where are we going now?
We're going to Deception Pass Bridge.
It's promised the best hike in Seattle.
Yeah.
I sacrificed 3 days on the beach to come here and spent $300. I hope it's worth it. We'll find out.
It was an April Fool's prank. I made him come here for nothing.
Yeah, last time he made me come to Seattle for a computer science museum. Hopefully we can do better than the computer science museum this time.
I think they shut that down, so now you can say you've been to it.
Alright, we're still on our way. It's been like, what, 40 minutes of driving?
Yeah.
I'm glad I don't have to drive because look at this. It's raining a lot. It still shows that the weather at Deception Pass where we're going is going to be good. So hopefully the rain stops. Right, we're just 15 minutes away from our final stop. And luckily it's not raining anymore. And we just stopped for some quick tea at this coffee house. We've made it to Deception Pass after driving for like 1 hour and 45 minutes. And luckily it's not raining. So in the US they live in ancient times. To pay for parking you gotta fill out info with your pen, tear off an envelope and put cash in an envelope.
Thank you.
Welcome to the third world.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we're badasses. Instead of $10, we're paying $9.50. Watch his...
If I get arrested,
his car's gonna get towed. Wait, where's the slip? Did you put the whole thing in?
Was I supposed to take something out?
Yeah, like how are they gonna know you paid? Oh. Look at that view. It's so nice. What do you call the color of this water?
This?
Maybe it's not visible, but there's still a slight drizzle right now. It's like it never stops raining here. Yo, where are we walking to? Is there a viewpoint or a hike?
No, this is the viewpoint.
Oh, cool. Oh yeah, look at that. That's the bridge. Yo, is this bridge called Deception Pass Bridge?
Yeah.
Nice.
You know why it's deceiving?
Why?
Because it's the same color as the water and people lose it.
Wait, actually?
No, I'm just kidding. I have no idea.
Oh, that's pretty well made up. I kind of believed you for one sec. Even though the colors. We saw a seal there, by the way.
Jeez.
Oh, nice. It's a professional climber right here. It's not easy, right? Alright, we just discovered this sign after our 2 failed attempts of climbing. Hopefully no one caught us. It's raining a lot more now. Would you hike in this type of rain? This is a bit much, no?
Sometimes because you're hiking through the trees.
Yo, do you want to go touch the water?
Yeah, see how cold it is. Do you want to do cold plunge?
Fuck, are your shoes all wet now?
Why'd you make me do this?
Yeah, so I'm so not used to the cold. I need a scarf to stay warm. So skipping rocks were an Olympic sport. India would have another gold medal.
Wow.
See how far that went?
That was 3, yeah, that went pretty far.
It's all about picking the right rock. Sun's out again. The weather here changes like every 2 minutes. So before traveling all around Latin America during COVID, I'd always go to Vancouver in the winters. And it's just exactly for this, the beautiful nature, the great weather. I mean, it's a bit rainy, but it's a lot warmer than Toronto. And yeah, I know I'm not in Vancouver, I'm in Seattle, but it's so close that they have the exact same climate, very similar nature. You think your car is gone by now?
I paid $10. I paid $9.50.
You didn't pay the 50 cents. How pissed would you be if it's actually gone? Alright, we're gonna randomly drive around now. We did some walking around, checked out the bridge, went on a beach, skipped some rocks, and now our map doesn't work, so we don't know where we're going. We're trying to reach a random beach that we found on Google Maps called Hyde Beach, but turns out there's a Navy base there, and that's why the path is closed. We saw a place where you can hug baby goats. That sounds more interesting than like an American naval base. Okay, so quite a 180 degree from a Navy base. We're now at a baby goat farm. Yo, have you hugged a goat before?
I have, actually. Have you? Have you hugged Messi?
We ended up paying $15 per person to go hug some goats for half an hour.
Free soap too.
Oh yeah, we get a free soap made out of goat milk. How do you say goat in Russian? Baran?
Is it Kazio? Baran? Kazio?
Right, we're entering the farm. Here are the baby goats. There's 5 of them in here. So I thought this goat wanted that jacket Dilip has, but turns out it just wants my clothes.
It's used to eat.
We're trying to get the goat to give Dilip some attention.
The goat knows who has the YouTube views.
This goat wants to be YouTube famous. It's after the clout. It's after the 100 views I'm gonna get on my video. Oh yeah.
I'll be collecting goats.
Yeah, there's too many of them. What happened? Something just changed, dude. There's only one goat that's friendly, and now all of them want me.
Something
I think
happened.
they've smelled my CR70 perfume. The goat perfume attracts the goats. I wish I was wearing CR7 underwear too. It would change the whole game. Yo, if they take a poop on me right now,
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna ask for a refund.
You're not sitting in the car.
If you're lying down and you have 2 goats on you, definitely make sure their butts are not facing your face, because you never know. And here you go. Oh no, it fell off.
Did he jump off?
I think they had enough of us. They're like, get us out of here.
These weirdos.
Right, goodbye. It's been real. Philip, what do you think?
Dude, that was the best.
Yeah, it's definitely very worth the $15, especially given that you're gonna get a goat milk soap.
That goat's looking at us very suspiciously.
Yeah, these big goats are probably the mothers and fathers of the kids. They're like, what the fuck are you doing to our kids? Creeps. They're like, go away, you creep.
How long did they say we had?
Half an hour. Can you believe it?
We spent half an hour in there?
We just spent half an hour in there. That was so much fun that half an hour just like flew by.
That
Like,
did not feel like.
can we do pigs now?
I
Like,
want to see the little piglets, but we can ask.
yo, just like drop another 20, they'll give you the pigs too.
Can I just buy a pig?
So one of the aggressive goats forcefully kissed me. It's just, yeah, unacceptable. I still feel like something weird on my lip. I feel like I have goat saliva on my lip.
There you go.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you're definitely gonna wash up.
No soap anymore.
So I think we can choose one of these soaps. Ended up getting the rosemary lavender flavor. It smells really good. Oh. This place is called North Whitby Farms. If you come into this area, definitely check it out. It's a highlight. Wait, did they pee poo over me? You think?
On the floor.
Oh. So I lied down on the floor where they're peeing?
Yeah. Dude, don't sit in my car.
Nice. Your Honda Civic is gonna smell like goat. Look at that. Just try to record out of the windshield. Fun story. I lost my first GoPro trying to record footage outside the car. So I bought like this GoPro equipment like that sticks to the car, and then you can hook your GoPro onto it. And I didn't lock it correctly, so my GoPro flew off. It was like on the highway, so there's no way to get it back. So that's how I lost my GoPro 8. And then the same day I went and got a GoPro 9. Back then it was a complete waste of money because I was barely using my GoPro. But here we are. 2 years later, I'm using my GoPro a lot and getting my money's worth.
Still a waste of money.
So next we're going to a dog shelter. Goats weren't enough for us, so we also have to go hug some dogs. Right, so we decided to skip the dog shelter because we had enough with goats today. And instead we ended up at a premium outlet. There's a Guess store here. Guess is where I usually shop.
What do you buy at Guess?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's guess.
Right. I successfully bought myself some black shorts. So Dilip and I ended up buying the exact same shorts.
This man went to Guess to try to buy his shorts.
We ended up buying in Calvin Klein. We're gonna twin this summer. Now we're gonna get the same exact Hawaiian shirts from Tommy Bahama. So there's like 7 pieces of clothing that I'm gonna try on right now. I really like this store.
This man spent an hour in Tommy Bahama.
Yeah, I think I tried on like 20 clothes. So we're going to a Thai restaurant called Bang Rock Market. Right, I'm starving. We're almost at the Thai restaurant. Can't wait for some good green curry chicken.
Evergreen.
No, that place sucks. Right, we finally made it to the restaurant after a long journey. The first thing we see is Yadong. Herbs-infused vodka stimulates sexual desire and energy. Oh damn, look at this dude. Yadong women on top. Energy of a tiger and sexual stamina.
Wow.
Yo, Dilip,
10,
I think you need it. Check this out, that's my red curry. It's in a bucket. Looks really good. What's that?
Cashew nuts.
Oh, I'm so excited. And the brown man sees curry. Yeah, my red curry was so good. Oh my god, look at that. I killed all of it. I killed the whole damn bucket. It's just, I miss this so much.
I hope.
Yeah, like a little bit. Like, just a little bit. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Really good food. Look at that. It's amazing. The best Thai food I've had this year. Actually, let's include last year too. I don't think Toronto has the best Thai food. Right, so we're done with our Thai dinner. Now, where are we going?
To the car.
Oh, but like, where are we driving using the car?
Home?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Actually, yeah, I do need a jacket for tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow when I take the train to Vancouver, I'm not even gonna have a jacket on me. So I'm gonna try go directly to the station, and then hopefully my jacket's gonna be waiting for me in Vancouver. How far is your home?
It's like 10 minutes.
Oh, nice.
My home is Russia.
Anyone watching this video, Dilip's Wi-Fi password is Nepal. So come to Seattle, we got free Wi-Fi. Alright, it's like 6:30 in the morning and I'm taking the first train out of Seattle to Vancouver. And this is the first time in 4 months that I'm going back to Canada. It's a mixed feeling. I'm happy that I'm going to some place that feels like home, but at the same time, it's gonna be cold. Right, I've made it to the train station. Dilip's Honda Civic. Trash car.
Dude, you already smacked it yesterday with your water bottle.
Alright, I'm gonna go catch my train.
Thanks for visiting, dude.
Yo, it's a video in a vlog format. It's not a vlog.
Don't ever forget.
Right, I've made it on the train. So far, things seem to be on time. And yeah, as I read online, I need to get a left side seat so that I can have a good view. Out here, editing the video still, and we're almost gonna cross the border. We're really close. I have to fill out this physical declaration form that I haven't done in ages because you never need to do it at the airports. We're so close to crossing the border. Okay. Oh, actually, look at that. We're in Canada now. Still on AT&T, what the hell? I'm not gonna turn on my network right now because if I do, I'm gonna get charged $15 for no reason. So I completely forgot to film the end of my train journey because it's so hectic. And I made it to Vancouver. Susha got my jacket. That's Susha's dad.
Hello, guys.
Alright, so that was it. I had a lot of fun in Seattle, and the next one's gonna be from Whistler. I'm gonna go skiing tomorrow and vlog about that. And look at it. This is sunny Vancouver. How rare this is.